Hi everyone, we're here at Ark Encounter or Noah's Ark here in Kentucky with Rose. With Rose right there. And here are the guys. Hey, wave guys! Hey guys! Hey, wave! Craig! Joshua!
There. I'm in
we're-
live right now. I'm in live.
Hi! It's raining today. It's raining. For some reason, I don't know why they like rain today.
Oh.
So here's the Noah's Ark.
So that's the one that I see that's like I think that's
What
the one,
happened?
it's Ark because
Why
it's
that's
like a sakayan.
Yan.
Sakayan.
That's the Noah's Ark right there. It's a good thing that we can see the whole Noah's Ark right here. And that's from the end. My goodness, that's a big one. Huge. Hey, here we go. Gift shop right here.
Yeah. We can go that way over there.
I wonder if we can do videos inside.
I think so. We can.
Hoping so. Hey, Noah's Ark.
Seems like if you look at it from outside, it's too small.
It's just Rose right here.
I'm taking a live too.
She's live in video, Facebook. I'm just videoing my live video, my live streaming in YouTube. It's not working right now.
Yeah, you
So here's the Ark
Okay, this is the entrance.
entrance right here. Where? Right there. Ark entrance. Okay, I'm gonna stop it right now. We're just gonna go in.